Hi, I'm David. I'm the product manager of this new device, the hermes-adaptor, also known as Quentin. I'm also the business founder. It's been a 6-year journey that I can't get into right now, but it's been a very a long journey, and I've taken personal sacrifices along the way, so it'd be great to have an award for a pat on the back. Customers are great, sales are great, but this would also highlight to the world, the bigger community, manufacturing in general. I want to show it off, the Dorset area, but just getting an existing industry, manufacturing, to work with the digital economy. So this has a web browser user interface, and it means that communities can come together. I just want to get to the point where I'm not having to eat chicken nuggets for dinner, but that's a story for another day. Thank you for listening. Cheers. I've just attended the regional dinner of the Make UK Awards 2022, and unfortunately we haven't won this year. Now, realistically, I don't think we would ever won. We're not a member of the Make UK organisation, and we've never paid any money into it. And the reality is that you pay for your awards. You put your membership in, or you put your training into these organisations, and they give back by awards. So realistically, it would be very kind of them to give us the award if they were going to. I do think they strung us along a little bit by nominating us, and not even mentioning us as a nomination on the day. Even if we weren't going to get an award, it would be nice to actually be mentioned and therefore get the PR. It's cost us a lot of money to get here today. It's cost a week of application. It's cost travel, expense, another 2 days off supporting our customers. So it's a little. In the back of my mind, I thought they might have pulled something out of the bag to support a startup business, but see, it seems like they've only supporting the existing community of middle-aged men working in manufacturing. It seems today. I know that seems a bit bitter, but I think it's a state of play of UK manufacturing that is the UK at the moment, and that needs to change. Supporting the next businesses, startup businesses, is key to get them to make supportive technology to support the existing industry. Is very, very important, and that's how we should be moving forward.